But here's where the story takes a fascinating turn. Raw performance is only half the equation. The real question is whether Apple can deliver all of this power without sacrificing the thing that made the Mac Mini famous in the first place, its tiny size. According to multiple reports, Apple has been redesigning the internal cooling system from the ground up. Instead of simply increasing fan speed, engineers are reportedly focusing on a more efficient thermal architecture that spreads heat across the entire chassis. In other words, the Mac Mini M5 could stay nearly silent even while handling workloads that would normally require a much larger desktop. And that's a big deal. Because if the leaks are accurate, the M5 Mac Mini won't just compete with entry-level PCs. It could start competing with professional workstations. Imagine editing multiple streams of 4K video, running AI models locally, creating complex 3D scenes, or compiling massive software projects, all from a computer smaller than a stack of coasters. That's the vision Apple appears to be chasing. But there is another reason the tech industry is paying close attention. Artificial intelligence. The next generation of computing isn't just about faster processors. It's about having enough local power to run advanced AI tasks directly on your machine. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, future Macs are expected to process more information locally, improving speed, privacy, and responsiveness. The M5's upgraded neural engine could become one of the biggest selling points of the entire system. Think AI-assisted coding, real-time language translation, smarter photo and video editing, advanced content generation, and all of it happening directly on your desktop. That's the future Apple is betting on. Of course, none of this comes without trade-offs. Industry insiders are already suggesting that pricing may increase compared to previous generations. More performance, faster memory, and advanced packaging technologies aren't cheap. The question becomes simple. How much power can Apple fit into the smallest Mac before it starts competing with its own higher-end products? Because if the M5 Mac Mini delivers even close to what current rumors suggest, buyers may begin asking a difficult question. Why spend significantly more on a larger desktop? And that's exactly why so many professionals are waiting before upgrading. For years, the Mac Mini was considered the affordable Mac, the backup Mac, the starter Mac. But the M5 generation may completely redefine its role. Instead of being the cheapest option, it could become the smartest option. A tiny desktop with workstation-class performance, AI-ready hardware, and enough power to handle almost anything most users throw at it. If Apple gets this right, the Mac Mini M5 won't just be another annual upgrade. It could become one of the most important Macs Apple has ever released. So, would you buy the Mac Mini M5, or are you waiting for the Mac Studio and Mac Pro updates? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple leaks, tech news, and future product coverage.